Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar by clicking on it. Now you need to pick a date. I will go with that one and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then select event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, add the title over here. Then pick starting hour, ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature completely as well by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now select does not repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. If you don't, just select does not repeat. Now scroll down, add people, select add location over here, type in an address and then click on the correct one. Now you need to set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before your event and take notes. When you're ready, just choose save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and tap on save at the top right corner to save them or discard them by choosing this X icon at the top left corner. I will go with save though. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, click on delete at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!